Hey guys, it's Matthew here from EMESCO Designs and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is actually our first video going out, so we're going to use it as a little bit of an introduction to who we are and what we do here at EMESCO Designs. We actually featured on Lee Johnston's RC45 Build video. We made him some parts for that project that him and Whit have got going on at the moment. If you haven't seen that, be sure to check that one out. I'll put the link in the description below. There was a lot of comments on that video and we got a lot of messages after that video went out saying that we should start our own YouTube channel, put more content out there, do more videos. So we thought, why not, let's give it a go. Take you a little bit of behind the scenes of how things are made. I think people will find it interesting, from the design idea to the prototyping to machining, fabrication, welding and everything in between. So we're going to take you along for the ride. We've got some really cool projects going on at the moment and some really cool projects in the works, so I think it'd be cool to document them and show you guys how things are done.
I'm Sam. I do the welding and fabrication here at Amesco Designs. At the minute I'm just doing this bracing for this around for a customer. But if you want to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe.
Let's see what Sam's working on here. What's the next job for this, Sam?
Well, I'm just going to be welding this little bit in for the top of the brace, and then that should be good to go.
And then this customer wants some superbike style swing and arm ends. With captive chain adjusters and captive wheel spacers, so that's going to be the job after Sam's finished the bracing. Really nice style of race bracing on this arm. This is ZXR 750 arm. This was all hand fabricated from flat sheet, bent in the press brake, use a shrinker stretcher to make all these pieces. Turned out really, really nice. Really gives it that race look. I think it'll end up looking like a factory arm when we get them swinging arm ends in, especially with the captive chain adjusters, underslung caliper mount. Look really cool. So on the machine at the moment we actually have the bottom cross piece for one of our frame kits. This piece holds the rear shock and also has the engine mount incorporated in one. I'll show you now. So shock bolts in here. This is the rear engine mount. So this is machined in one hit pretty much. This backside just needs a slight clean off where there's a small tab. That's the beauty of 5 axes, you can actually get in everywhere. So pretty much every side nearly, and machine everything in one hit. Makes it super accurate, really nice finish, and also less time consuming having to make jigs for every side. Okay, before we wrap up this final video, I'm going to take you down to the other end of the shop and show you what we've got going on these machines. We've got the 560mm, currently running off some subframe ends. we go around here to the lathe area. We've got the little lathe just finished, the second dot with a part in there. Again, there's some steel subframe ends. And if we go, we've just set the TC up to do op 1 for some more of the ends. This machine, a 250 TC, is actually a turning centre, so this can mill and turn. This is driven tooling, so we can put an end mill in there and mill a hex on things or a groove into things. So if we were making a, this is a stem nut for a set of our yokes, that's how it comes off the machine in one operation. From this machine, mills the hex, turns the outer, bores the hole and parts it off. It actually ends up in this tray, just like that. So we're going to get this running now. Hope you enjoyed this first video. Like I say, there's so much more content to come. Lots of cool projects coming up, which we're going to bring you guys along for. Chuck in a little bit of a shop tour, show you basically what happens day to day here in the shop. If you enjoyed this first one, make sure to like, subscribe, and even leave us a comment. Follow us on our socials, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and we will see you at the next one.
See you next time.